Hey guys, so recently I was certified as an AWS Cloud Practitioner, and I would just like to share the steps of my journey so anyone that is interested can also join the AWS community. This certification took me just around 6 to 7 weeks to get prepared for, and I went in with the mindset to get a good foundation and understanding of the AWS Cloud. I really like the way AWS provided the syllabus for the certification as it aids not just academically, but it also emboldens and strengthens one's understanding of the AWS Cloud as a whole. Now, let us move on to the nitty-gritty. When preparing for the certification, there are many steps that need to take place, starting with the understanding of what the cloud offers for the companies and organizations as a whole. From there, it is very important to understand the global infrastructure of the AWS cloud from regions, availability zones, and edge locations, and how they're all intertwined and connected. Did you know that AWS has more than 25 regions and 80 plus availability zones? While learning this, you can also begin getting hands-on experience with VPCs and the components that build them, such as subnets, route tables, security groups, networks access control lists, otherwise known as NACLs, and EC2 instances. Did you know that there are more than 200 AWS provided services? But fear not, because for the certification, only the key and core services and their functions need to be known. The services on the management console are categorized by their functional use. This makes it easy for you to understand their purpose and how they differ from each other. I would suggest focusing on services that are based off of compute, storage, network, and security and access management. While it is imperative that you have to understand the services, putting them to practical use is enabled through the 5 pillars of the AWS well-architected framework: operational excellence, performance efficiency, security, cost optimization, and reliability. Additionally, AWS's shared responsibility model states the factors that the AWS cloud is responsible for, and we are responsible for as customers. Now that you have covered all these, you are almost ready to take your exam. But before you do, go onto the AWS Management Console to work with the services hands-on. Before you do anything, make sure to turn on billing and notification services to ensure that you don't spend any more than you want to. Now that we have covered what's on the test, I think it's time that we got to know how to study for it. There are websites on the internet such as Cloud Guru and Udemy, which have full, comprehensive, and detailed courses that contain information for the test and a multitude of practice tests. But in my opinion, the best way to study for the test is simply just to go onto the AWS Management Console and get a hands-on experience with some of the core services. There's just a bit more I would like to say about the test. The test is 65 questions in just around 90 minutes, and it focuses a lot on services like EC2 and S3. But also don't forget that it includes questions about availability zones and the AWS well-architected framework. I hope I motivated some of you guys to take the certification, and good luck to all of you guys who will. If you need any help, feel free to contact me. Thanks for listening, and I hope all of you guys have a great day.